So guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can add a music to your TikTok story on your TikTok app. So let's jump into the video. What you have to do, first you have to open up your TikTok app. Then you have to go to your profile. You have to click on this profile button here. After that you have to click on this plus icon here. You can post, capture any photo, otherwise you can add your photo from your gallery. Then what you have to do to add your music here, you have to click on add sound here. Then you will find a bunch of music here. You can add any of them that you like. After that you have to click on volume. Then you can adjust the volume of the music just like this. Then you have to click on done. Once you have done, then you are ready to go. Now your music will be added on your picture. So I hope you find this video helpful, guys. This is how you can add a music to your TikTok story. I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.